If you want to add music to your site on Squarespace, this tutorial will walk you through the whole process step by step. Whether you're adding background music, a track for your brand, or an audio sample for visitors to listen to, Squarespace makes it pretty simple once you know where to click. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is go to the page on your Squarespace site that you want to update. Once you're there, click Edit in the top left corner. This puts the page into editing mode so you can start adding new content blocks. Now look for the point on the page where you want the music to appear. You can either click Add Block or use one of the blue plus insert points if your layout has them. From the list of available blocks, select Audio. This is the block Squarespace uses for adding music files directly to a page. After the audio block appears on your page, click the pencil icon on that new block. This opens the audio block settings, where you can upload and customize your track. In the settings panel, go to the content tab first. Here, click Upload File and choose the music file from your computer. A quick important note here, Squarespace only supports .p3 or .m4a files, and the file has to be under 160 MB. So if your audio doesn't upload, double check the format and file size first. Once the file is uploaded, you can type in the title and artist name. This helps make the audio player look more polished and gives your visitors clear information about what they're listening to. Next, switch over to the Design tab. This is where you can choose the style of the player. Squarespace usually gives you options like Classic or Minimal, so pick the one that best matches the look and feel of your website. If you want something clean and simple, Minimal is a great choice. If you want a more traditional music player appearance, Classic may work better. Take a moment to review everything and make sure the audio block looks the way you want it to on the page. When you're happy with the setup, click Save in the top left corner of the screen. That locks in your changes and publishes the music block to your page. And that's it. You've now added music to your Squarespace site. It's a really useful way to make your site feel more dynamic and personalized, whether you're sharing original music, audio branding, or just adding a creative touch. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Squarespace tips, and I'll see you in the next video.